How to create Mediafire download links. The steps I'm showing here aren't limited to just one device. You can follow the same process on your PC, laptop, mobile, or tablet, and it works the same way everywhere. Open Chrome and search for Mediafire. Then open the first website. If you're on Android or iPhone, you can also install the Mediafire app directly from the Play Store or App Store, but using the browser works fine too. Once you're on Mediafire, you'll need to sign up and create an account. You'll see 3 plans: Pro, Ultra, and Basic. Just go with the basic plan and click Sign Up under it. Fill in your details. Tick the checkbox to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service. Then click Create Account and Continue. After your account is created, you'll see an Upload button at the top. Use it to upload any file or folder you want. Once the upload finishes, you can either click Share or simply copy the link. That link is your Mediafire download link, and anyone you share it with can open it and download the file directly.